Yo YouTube, what up? GSNCards here, coming back at you once again. We're on to boxes 2 and 3 of our first football break of the night, 2007 Upper Deck Premier Football. Good luck to everyone who joined. We just pulled something pretty solid. Two pretty nice hits out of the first box of LCM 08. So check those videos out. Here we go. Good luck to everyone. I have the worst trouble opening up the 07 packs for some reason. Alright, here we go. I see the Seahawks on the back. Who said they weren't going to get a Seahawk hit? Alright, first up for the Titans, numbered at a 225, base of Lendell White. Lendell White for the Titans. And next up, we have for the Raiders, numbered 47 out of 50, autograph of Michael Bush. Next hit, we have for the Lions. For the Lions, numbered at a 99, Drew Stanton autograph. And that'll be Gator Girls, who is ridiculous. Congratulations, Gator Girl. Next up, a redemption. Numbered out of 175, Premier Rookie Auto Materials, Gold, numbered at a 175, Tony Hunt. Tony Hunt redemption. And next up, we have for the Vikings. For the Vikings, numbered 89 out of 99, triple jersey, Chester Taylor. Wish it was AP, but then we have for the Chiefs. For the Chiefs, that's going to go to Bryofia, I believe. Yes, Bryofia. A dual patch, both one color, numbered out of 75, Priest Holmes for the Chiefs. So there you go, Bryofia. And last up, we have a manufactured patch for the Seahawks, numbered out of 75, Sean Alexander. Yankees just gave up a 3-run homer. God damn it. Alright. Second pack. Moving on to the second pack of 07 Premier. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Starting off, we got for the Raiders, numbered at a 225, base of Dominic Rhodes. And then we have for the Bears, numbered out of 99, David Ball autograph. And then for the Raiders again, Raiders are getting a bunch of cards. Numbered out of 99, Zach Miller autograph. And another redemption. Very nice. Wow, very nice. This is the second one I pulled, guys. How about that? For the Browns, numbered out of 199, Rookie Auto Materials, Brady Quinn. What up? Second one pulled. The last one that we pulled, I know it booked for $200, the quad jersey auto out of 07. So that is a nice card. Next up, we have for the Jaguars. For the Jaguars, numbered out of 10. I thought it said UGLA. I was like, what product are we opening? It says UCLA, Maurice Jones-Drew, quad jersey. Next card, triple patch, all single colored for the Bengals. Numbered out of 75, Rudy Johnson. Triple patch. And final card of the box will go to the Dolphins, numbered out of 75, manufactured patch of Jason Taylor. So overall, second box wasn't too bad after we pulled the Brady Quinn redemption. Pretty nice. We'll be back with 3 boxes of 08 Premier Football. Stay tuned. GSN Cards is out.